No, that might be personality.
Hi, it's Junk Journaling Jen, and I'm back with another unboxing from my aunt. So I told you, she said she was going to ship me something else. So anyways, I covered it with a little mat, and here is box number 1. And we're going to do box 2, 3, and then we're going to go E, because Ronnie didn't make me a 4, but I'll have to make me a 4. Okay, so anyways, this is box 1 that I'm opening, and oh my goodness, I cannot believe how generous her heart is. So look at this. It looks like it's a box full of lace. Can you believe it? I mean, okay, so remember, this is box 1. I'm gonna put all my numbers under here. So, yeah, I am just blown away about how much lace is here. Okay, so it looks like a whole lot of this. These roses, oh my goodness, on the edge of a book. So many possibilities. I mean, I have all kinds of stuff. Like I have a whole clothing department on my website. So there's going to be some purses and all kinds of things that I have. Oh my gosh, look how dreamy. Look how dreamy this is. Can you see that? How amazing. Okay, and what I'm gonna do real quick, oh, don't wanna poke myself here, is I'm gonna turn my one lamp. There we go. And I have some more. There we go. Okay, here we go. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull our box a little bit out of frame, okay? And honest, we don't even need that. So this lace, hearts, all these hearts. Look at that. Is that cool? And then here's some like little flowers. Oh, music lace. Oh, look how royalty that is. That's beautiful. Got some white lace, a blank card, some white lace, and some white lace. I love it. Love this. Okay. How am I going to do this? I have no idea. I have no idea. I don't even know where to begin. Let's just keep moving. Okay. We got some cream and cream and cream and cream. Oh my goodness. And then we have pink. Pink is moving into the picture. Look at that. Oh, this is amazing. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. This, look at this. I was just thinking, oh, what if I did a book this color? Because someone just did a book this color, and I was like, oh my gosh. And she dyed all of it herself. And I'm like, oh, I don't want to do that. That's so much work. I mean, I would, but I don't want to. I love this. Oh my goodness, I love that. Oh my goodness, she could send me her trash and I'd love it. Oh, look at that. You guys, it just, look, it keeps coming and coming. I mean, I already know you saw the box, but just like, wow. Okay. I love how it's around these little things. How am I going to store this stuff? Oh, wow. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Make me a sleeve. Hello. That's exactly what I'm going to do. That's so cool. Oh, I could use this one too. Right? All those ladies that take those pictures and they have the... Oh Look at that. Amazing. Like polka dots. Oh, she sent me one of those before. That's cool. Got two. Ooh. This is like already made for the side of a book. Look at that. That is like ready. Auntie, you're always sending me stuff that's like patterns that ooh, so good, so good, so good. Okay. It's like I have to re-go through everything because it's just so much that I wasn't expecting. Wow. Look how beautiful this is. Look how beautiful that is. It's so cool. Man, you know, these cameras really don't, I mean, they're good, but they don't serve any justice to some of our fabrics and the things that we get, right? So, wow. Very cool. I totally could use that on the side of a book too. I love doing that. But, you know, that's my style. Look at that. Oh, that's cool. Look at this. I love it. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, and here's some more of that. Oh, and here's another one of those little rings. Cool. Okay, so we have this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Cute, that one. Oh, that's a big one. That's interesting. More summery. Ooh, love that. Love that piece. Little ribbon. Ooh, summertime. This and this. And look at this with the silk in the center. And this one. Ooh, summer. Love that. Ooh, look at that. That'd be beautiful for a wedding book. So cool. Wow, you guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This, friends, look at this. No, this. My goodness, this is beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. Oh my goodness. I have so many books to make. Oh, okay. I promise. Repeat after me, Jen. I promise I will not hoard. I promise. Look, I got so much that there's no reason for me to. Do you get that? Like, there's so much here. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. Okay. This is so cool. Like all the little pieces, because I can sew them. Okay. Wow. There's so much, you guys. I'm okay. We're almost to half of the box. Almost. I'm sure you can kind of tell, but I mean, it's packed. Oh my gosh. Getting ahead of myself. Ooh. Look at all these. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, I love this. Wow. Man, I still got teed-eyed fingers over here. Probably have them for a couple more weeks. I get myself a manicure. Look at that. I just love this color. Look at these. Cute. I love those. Okay, that is all awesome. And then look again. Look how beautiful this is. Isn't that pretty? That's gorgeous. Look at that. So pretty. Okay. Keep it moving. Some of those. One big one of these, which I love. I love because I'll use that on like part of a journal. That, and then we got black lace. You can see all these colors. Black. This purple is so silky. How nice. Ooh. And this blue. Ooh, and this yellow. So silky. I don't know if you can see how silky those are. They're beautiful. Ooh, and look at that one. The teal. Oh, I love that. Okay, and... Oh, this looks kind of like raindrops in a way. Pretty. Right? Look at this peach. Love this. That's gonna be so cool. It's like roses. Can you imagine a journal like that? Oh, beautiful. Man, this is just amazing. Okay. Giant lace, which I love. Love that. Put it out there. And then it looks like we have some, those little squares again. Blue, brown, black. One of those appliques. Ooh, gray. Nice, nice. Oh, this is interesting. It looks like tape. I believe it is tape. Wow. Blue. All this, these little purple. Ooh, some little wood feathers. White, pink, yellow. Those are great for summer. Isn't that pretty? And then we have this. You see that? It's nice when I put my hand through, right? Beautiful. Okay, more of those little feathers. And then there's all these little bibby roses. Those cute little baby roses. I don't know what that was. Okay, and then ooh, a little tiny thimble. Not thimble, but you know, little spool there. There's that one. This pink. Ooh, more. See that one? Pink and white. This one's pink and white. Woohoo. White. Gosh, there's so much in here. Oh, she had some of the same paper I had. Cute. Look at all these. I mean, just yummy, yummy. So many. Okay, so there's that. See this paper? I have this paper. That's so cute. She has that too. And then she sent tags. Tags. A little tiny prayer journal. Look at these little babes. Those are cute, right? More of those. I don't want to go through too much of this. Oh, this is so cute. This bottom, because sometimes she has stuff that she's made. And I feel like it's hints, so I'm going to keep that part top secret. So yay, guys. Thanks for joining me. I'm sure that most of this is all, like, see this? Praise the Lord. And then I can already tell, look, it's like Braille. Look, and tags. See, she gives these ideas, so I got to keep them top secret. So then when I'm on the channel, right? Then ooh, nope, see, I already saw something that I know I have not seen anyone else make. And she keeps sending me stuff like that. So, what else can I show you? Okay, just look. She made these tags. These are really cool. But I'm not showing you guys anything else. It's all top secret. Just in case. But I love it. I love the stuff that she comes up with and then now shares with me. So, These are the little extras. And yay. So there we go, you guys. I wanted to share box number 1 with you. So that was 1. I don't know where it went. There it is. Boom. So there's 1. Okay. So I will see you in the very next one. Bye. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video.